Follow mommy. T.
T.
T. T. How about you? U.
U.
Look at mommy. U.
U.
U. U. I'm just teaching you. How about V? How about V? Oh, you don't need to make drama. I'm just teaching you. It's just learning time. Oh, what's the sound of V? Oh, finish this one. Say V. Say V. What's the sound of V?
I don't think to wanna.
How you will go to school?
I don't think to go to school.
Oh, how you will work and buy your car? You told me you want to buy your car, right? You want to drive? You want to drive? Yes or no?
No.
Oh, you don't like to drive na?
Yes.
Oh, what do you want to do when you grow old?
Play.
Play only? What do you want to become? Oh, what work you want to do? Aside from playing. Oh, what work you want to do aside from playing? Ah? What do you want to become? Oy, stop drama. Stop drama. I'm just teaching you. How you will go to school like that? How are you going to go to school? Do you know how to read na? Oh. So you still need to learn how to read. We're still starting to learn, anak. Adam. You're done na drama? You're done na drama?
I want to play only.
You want to play only, but you have to go to school.
No.
Why no? School is good.
No.
It's good.
No.
Why you say no? Oh, why did you say no? Why did you say the school is not good? Why did you say the school is not good? Tell mommy then.
There's no friends.
No, there's a lot of friends in the school. Oh, talk properly. I cannot understand you if you're crying. Oh, why the school is not good? There's a lot of friends over there. There's also slide. They don't have. Stop drama na then. Oh, done na? Done na drama? Oh, wash na then. Wash na. Wipe it. Oh, you're done na drama?
Yes.
You're okay na? You're okay na? Okay. Let's learn na? Let's learn now? Okay. Oh, what's the sound of this one? V. 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 How about W?
You.
W. 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 Oh, you said you stop drama na. Mommy is teaching you, anak, so you will learn.
No.
And you will be able to read and write.